Welcome to Canoa. In this video, we'll walk you through the new Canvas feature in beta. Use Canvas to create compelling and precise mood boards, brainstorm ideas, iterate design options, and collaborate with anyone in the creative process. Go to canoa.supply to sign up for your free account. We'll start by going into the Canvas dashboard at the top left corner of the sidebar. This is where all your current canvases will live. The canvas has an infinite backdrop for your creativity to live on. This is where you'll add your images, products, drawings, and schedules. You can access the main functions of Canvas in the toolbar at the top of the screen. The toolbar features include Select, Pan, Add Image, and Add Schedule, with more features coming soon. One of the most distinct features of the toolbar is the product catalog. You can start any canvas by adding a product. Clicking on the plus icon will bring up the Canoa product catalog, where you'll find an incredible range of products to inspire your next creative process. In this view, you can search for any type of product and filter by category or brands. By clicking on the Details mode, you'll be able to preview the brand, price, and dimensions of any product. Once you drag and drop a product to your canvas, you can toggle through different view options of the selected product. Toggle between drawing, image, and product card. Each view provides different information for you to utilize for your creative process. But keep in mind that the image is the only view that allows scaling. To utilize the full potential of Canvas, use the AI assistant to find similar products with Stuff Like Me, or complementary products with Find Friends. Remove backgrounds from product images, and use AI to create full mood board from a single image. The Canvas AI assistant will also detect any images for possible product recommendations. Place an image to your canvas and start browsing the recommendations to start creating your next mood board or product list.